we came back to a house that one of our contractors installed a decorative epoxy floor on the entire house besides 2 guest bedrooms, and it was done almost 3 years ago. And so I'm gonna show you on my phone when we were here filming them coat it, took some photos just to show that how old it is, because we get asked a lot, you know, how well do these coatings look? Hey, can you show us what it looks like in a year and 2 years? Well, we came back, we're almost at 3 years, and we wanted to show you guys. And so this is the floor, this is the bathroom, we'll be in there soon. So this was done November 11th, and I think we installed this a week or two before that. So November 11th, 2021. Today's date is May 14th, 2024. And so we'll kind of walk around this whole kitchen, living room slash, you know, dining room over there in the corner. Obviously, this is probably the main walking area. You know, you got your bar stools, you got your table, chairs, and this floor looks just as good as it did the day that Brian from Innovate Coatings installed it. There's some minor scratches, scuff marks here and there, but they're not noticeable. You almost have to look for them. So it's really impressive how well and how long they last, how well they hold up. This whole house was done with this decorative coating besides these 2 bedrooms. So we got carpet in here, we got carpet over there. Everything else in this house has this decorative epoxy coating. The highest traffic areas are gonna be, you know, probably coming through the garage, your kitchen, your dining room, your living room. And they look absolutely phenomenal. And then we walk in this, so they moved out, they're staging it and stuff, they're moving out, but this was their office. And so the colors that were used on this floor is our dolphin gray was our base coat. So the majority of the floor is dolphin gray. The accent, the veining color is our ash gray. Nice subtle vein pattern. And then we'll kind of walk back here into the master bedroom, master bath. You know, this is the master bedroom in here. So again, this whole house has been coated. Really, really cool to come back and see how well these coatings hold up and how they look after being down for so long. So this is that image that I showed you. This is that bathroom. Just absolutely beautiful. And then the top coat that was applied on this floor is our matte. It's our matte urethane. That's why it's got a dull sheen to it. It lays out smooth, flat, and holds up extremely well to, you know, high traffic areas. And so yeah, I'll just let James kind of run around and get some shots for you guys, but we always like to show how well these coatings hold up in real life scenarios. This is a perfect example, coming on 3 years old, you know, whole house has been coated. There's not one defect in this floor. There's not one chip in this floor. When you prep and install the coatings right, they're gonna last as long as your substrates. And so enjoy the rest of this footage.